Harold everyone, here's the Toro 28cc I converted for radio control RC airplane use. I put a throttle bell crank assembly on it. I still got to get a ball link, Dubro ball link for it so I can hook it to the carburetor. I rotated the carburetor around, modified the carburetor intake manifold block so I could turn the carburetor around to put this bell crank assembly on it. This thing is a really strong engine for a 28cc, and I got a big 13 millimeter Zama carburetor on it that I reworked, and it'll idle at 1500 RPM forever and get 8200 RPM up top with this Master Air Screw Classic Series 18.6 propeller, 93 octane gas, and 2 ounces of AMSOIL. That's a homemade aluminum pitch muffler I made for it, painted that gloss black engine header paint. But it's for sale. This thing is very easy to start. Totally dialed in. You got a new Champion spark plug in it. Like I say, I got to get a few of them Dubro ball link connectors. I have to do that to put that on the carburetor arm, and it'll be done. I'm gonna do that. Tomorrow. I was at the hobby shop and I forgot to pick them up, so I'm gonna run and get some of them tomorrow. It's very smooth. A lot of power here for a 28cc engine, man. These Toros, they rock. Two pin piston rings, and really tight tolerances. This thing still had the machine marks in the center wall when I got it. It hadn't been run much. There you have it, folks. Toro 28cc converted by Gary Troutman, Dr. Toon. It's available for purchase. Thanks everyone for watching. God bless.